welcome to vacation day number 10. I think 9 or 10. I don't remember anymore. It's after 8 and we were told that we need to get up at 8 o'clock this morning because we're going to the beach today. We want everybody to get their breakfast and get ready so we can get out of the house by 9:30. So this guy had his alarm set to where it'll play that song Sunshine, what is it? Sunshine Lollipops and Rainbows by Leslie Gore, right?
Yeah.
So that goes off at 8 o'clock, which I'm not even mad about because it's not the worst song to wake up to. But then he comes down here and he has the audacity to blast the Beach Boys. I mean, I'm not upset about it because I was already awake, but
okay, we have to get into a beach
I'm interested to see what everybody else is gonna say when they come down because he's blasting it and nobody else has come down yet and they're all gonna be waking up to this. Brent and Asia's room's like right here.
Oh, I heard them moving. So.
Yeah, oh yeah. But yeah, we have a beach day ahead of us, so I'm gonna get us some breakfast and run around and try to get things together so that we can get out of the house by 9:30.
Good morning, cutie.
Oh, good morning.
Cutie patootie. Oh.
It was funny because last night before Jaden fell asleep, I was trying to get him to go to sleep. And I was telling him, okay, you gotta go to sleep because if you go to sleep when you wake up, we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow and we're gonna go swim in the ocean and you can play in the sand. So first thing he says when he wakes up this morning, he rolls over, looks over at Drew and Joey and he goes, playing sand, playing sand. Like he remembered what I told him before he went to sleep. It's so cute. So we left the house at 9, oh, what did you say? I just already forgot.
58.
9:58, 10 o'clock. It was supposed to take us an hour to get to the beach, and it is currently 11:50, and we have not even arrived yet.
Stop at Old Navy.
Yes, we had to stop at Old Navy. Caitlin wanted to get a pair of flip-flops, and we ended up walking out with more than one pair. This is the bag that we have.
And a 2 potty stop.
Yeah, there's 10 pairs. We got 10 pairs. But that's what happens when Old Navy has a $2 flip-flop sale. We ended up walking out of there with 10 pairs. And then Libby had to use the bathroom. And then Mom's phone was malfunctioning and the GPS wasn't working. And she couldn't make phone calls. And the GPS was trying to take us to Walmart. And but now we're on our way again. And we should probably reach the beach in about 26 minutes. I think my dad and the boys are already there, so I'm sure we're gonna.
Any beach stuff.
Yeah. My dad and the boys drove ahead of us. They didn't keep up with, or they didn't stay with us, and now they're probably at the beach already. And my dad's car is the only car that doesn't have any beach supplies or anything in it. So we're probably gonna get an earful when we get there. We'll see. Me.
Chinese for dinner.
Yes. Oh, Chinese.
Snack for lunch.
The 2 pregnant ladies in the back.
When you need it.
What?
Were you filming that?
Yes. It was like perfect timing. I was trying to just record a driving scene and then we just both yelled out, "Oh, Chinese!" The 2 prego ladies in the back yelling for Chinese.
Amber, what do you say about your lizard?
I worked up my lizard.
Tell him, Amber.
Alright, let me say it.
I worked up my lizard.
Whee! Jelly hit the bird.
Well, wouldn't that be a fun story for your grandchildren? Like one day, family beach trip, I got arrested, spent the night in jail because I
Mom, Joey in
Seagull.
prison? Well, he's been in prison for 15 years now because he whacked a seagull with his
Endangered species.
They won't leave us alone.
one species.
They want
That was
this.
the one- What?
Girl, look out!
What do you think you're doing here?
get your nasty buttholes away. It's dripping.
Hi, baby.
His face is really, how would you say, clean?
It's not theirs, is it?
His face got stuff all over it.
Hi, cute dude.
See that concrete stuff over there?
Do you want some water? Yeah.
He tried to lick it.
Ew. Why would you try to lick
Wash
that?
his face, his mouth off. It's disgusting.
Let's get you some water. You stay over here, okay? Because we don't want the birdies to try to get your crackers.
Kind of look around like you're pissed at the birds. Exactly. Perfect.
Jaden, come here. Look. Did Caitlin call you handsome?
Isn't that so funny that
Did Caitlin call you handsome? She called you a handsome boy. Yeah? You like Caitlin? Oh my gosh, your mouth is very full.
Something wrong with my leg?
The birds are coming for it.
Jaden.
Jaden, look what Caitlin has. She has to cheese it too. Oh my gosh.
JJ.
He's still hovering.
Got the cheese it.
What are they doing? They're trying to get, look at this one. Oh, he's trying to get the cheese it behind Mimi's chair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get out of here.
Don't have her over my head.
Come here, baby.
Cover your hands.
Don't let,
Kiss the birdie.
I know, they want that one. Just get it already. Did you girls have fun?
I'm cranky.
Oh, you're cranky, so you're gonna fall asleep? I'm jealous. Yeah, she said she's cranky, so she's gonna fall asleep.
Good girl. She knows her limits.
I'm cranky, I'm gonna fall asleep. The beach was fun, but I don't know, I think my expectations were probably just a little too high.
Yes, they are.
For the first time going to the beach while being pregnant and taking a toddler.
By yourself.
And I feel like I've become more of a clean freak, like because I don't go to the beach often. So the sand, once I was starting to get sand on me everywhere, it was making me freak out. But anyways, we had a good time. It was fun. Just had to get over certain things, and Jaden took a dump in his swimmy diaper. So you know, we had a lot of fun. It was a lot of new adventures. I am sunburned, that's for sure. My back is like super red. So I'm gonna be feeling that later today, but anyways, all I want right now is a shower and some Chinese food.
Shower, thunderstorm, Chinese.
Shower, thunderstorm, Chinese.
And a movie.
Oh, she's got a movie. Oh. But
Fighting with my family?
Fighting with the family.
Let's do it. Oh, it's like our family movie.
Down. So this is, I think, about like a family who wanted to wrestle or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Well,
and
we could get physical.
just hear that. What did you say?
Do y'all like s'mores?
Yes, we like s'mores.
We can make them in the oven. Spinach.
Somebody turn the AC on.
We made s'mores, was it last week? We made s'mores last week. And Asia, like, we started to do it on the grill, but she's like, we could just do it in the oven. We're like, oh, we'll do it on the grill. So yeah, now she's looking like, see, I told you guys, you can make one in the oven.
350 for like 5 minutes and then done. I'll send Chris to the Walmart and get some s'more supplies.
Oh, now you're
that
speaking
for
our language.
Chinese and s'mores. Oh my god.
In the movie.
He's in the kitchen.
That's how it was.
Evan? Come here, please.
She's nice this time. She said it nicely.
I said please.
First time we usually do say it nicely. Not a second.
Evan? Oh,
That was more scary than you look.
What's in the trash can? It doesn't have to do with anything.
What?
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 How dare you oppose
Was that this moment he realized?
Question the bag in there,
Wait.
and then take the air out.
How?
Okay, are you doing that?
Did I put that back in there?
Answer another question with a question.
So you're not doing your job?
Grabbed on himself.
We'll go get Libby.
Wait a minute. You did the other day and you're putting holes in the trash can.
Come here, Ev.
She wants to show you how much she loves you,
Like the
which
rest
could
of
be
us.
violent.
Nobody's enjoying this way too much.
You still putting holes in the trash bags?
That side glance that your mom gave
Look me in the
me.
eye. Are you still putting holes in the trash bags?
Open your eyes.
I did it like once.
Open your eyes,
Once since you told me.
Evan, open your eyes.
What?
Why?
Once.
That's a good question. How am I supposed to answer that?
I'm
Yes or no?
How am I supposed to answer that?
You're a creature of habit,
Go get your controllers.
obvious lawyer.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh.
I just got punished.
Darn it.
We were playing
She
them.
said his controllers.
When I went up last week, Joey's pointing out, look, there's trash.
Kayla,
I said, why is there trash on this floor? Why don't you have a trash can? Oh, we put it in the bathroom, trash can. And then he goes,
What are you gonna do about
I didn't
it?
see that. They bring the trash can
Change
from
his
the bathroom.
underwear.
It's this much higher than the trash can. It's Evan's job. That's it. Evan, watch this. Trash all over the room.
There's an apple. Apple core.
Apple with hair in it. He had to pick it up.
Oh man, write a mothering book, please. I'll buy it.
That's all I did. It's how good it I did.
That one was a reject. He didn't follow any of the rules.
Hey, don't mess with it.
He
It's
was
a
the
beefy.
baby.
Beefy baby.
Okay, when his own mother has to follow me so that she doesn't get lost because he will leave her in the
That was the
dust.
one I used for the table.
So I went room to room.
Oh.
Now we were on.
Wait, he's gonna need a tissue for those tears.
Well, you have to separate the cards. Separate the cards.
Yes.
We need
Pushing
two
up my
decks.
ribs.
Brent, we need two decks. So separate the cards.
Hey, Kayla.
Stay
Oh,
out.
here's something really cool. Wow, Kayla.
What's she doing?
She's trying to go up to my ribs. Swim down. What is going on in here?
Is there supposed to be maggots in the marshmallows?
Ooh, we're making some
Maybe
s'mores.
butterflies.
Her cravings went to like 0 and 5 seconds.
They went down.
Wait, Caitlin had the great idea to make s'mores.
Who did? Not me.
Caitlin.
Exactly.
And JJ doesn't want to participate. He's in his own little world.
That's weird. You see that, Caitlin? Some of them are baby marshmallows.
He's in his own little world.
Go for it. Alright. Is that pan dolled up?
Because it helps. It helps.
Gonna get the chocolate wet.
It helps the burn.
I don't have nails.
Did you ask if that was coconut oil?
Yeah, that's mom says that.
She's about to apply the oil to the child's
Holy
face.
oil. You're about to be anointed, my friend. Look up.
What a good uncle.
It's so pink, so sad.
Can I just bathe in that oil?
Oh my gosh, it's like a giant pillow
It feels so
on a piece of cardboard.
Don't touch it, Em.
See what she did? You can put 2 on one if they're the little ones. Put another one on there.
There you go.
Very
Good job. I keep doing them the wrong way.
That's okay. You could do it either way.
Good job. Look at you go.
I want that one.
Okay. Oh, I want some milk. Milk? I like milk. Give me milk. I made these two.
Oh, there we go. We got it. Woohoo! Now we're good for s'mores.
Oh, did you get the chair?
Oh
He was
no.
back in South Carolina.
Oh, no.
Tried to light our ceiling on fire.